Right, and I was going to do like a cinematic like show of the car, but this is the car we're working on. This is my brother's, which is like basically looks like me that just eats. That's the only difference. So yeah, we're doing a little mod on this. We're going to hopefully get some videos out of this thing, because I know you all love the Vauxhall and you don't really care about that. So yeah, this is the first mod for the Vauxhall that we're going to try and do. Ready? See this gear stick here? It's like having a big droopy ass wheelie to change gear with
compared to yours.
Yeah, it's got nothing on the 0.1, folks, but it is it's massive. So possibly this is the modification in question. David Lawrence, you absolute legend. He's made these. I've actually drove his Corsa VXR Garrett, and it had this in and a short shifter. So what we're doing today, we're just going to fit this short shifter mod in. If anyone wants these, I can't even remember his Instagram, but David Lawrence on Facebook, I'm sure it is. You won't miss the car because it's just the tits. So yeah, let's find out how to fit this and change the throw on this bad boy. Just want to show you a bit. It's a Berg Corsa in the burnt orange, isn't it? Is it burnt orange? Chili orange, yeah. Yeah, got Bilstein brakes. I'm not going to go into too much detail because obviously if we do a video on it we'll cover it there. That's not my monster. Yes it is. What are you doing? Changing the lights? Yeah, definite mod as well. Change the bulbs. Yeah. Have you done the other side?
No.
You haven't done the other side?
They're really hard to twist.
So do you reckon you can turn that on and then we do a little comparison? Have you got a link for these, by the way, so we can link these good folk? Yeah. Yeah, sound. That one. We'll find out now. Go on. Are
they on there?
Nah.
Yeah.
Yes, mate. They look absolutely pucker. Yes. Definitely better than what there was before anyway. They were like orange, weren't they?
Yeah, same.
Right then, so what we've got to do to get to this sexy shifter, we've got to take the battery off. Battery, then there's a battery casing down below. And then I think the linkage is literally down there. I don't know if you can see it. Come on, focus. You can see that there. It's literally, I think it's just under there. So what we're gonna do, I'll show you how to rip out the battery and all that stuff, and then we'll get on it. Right then, so from the looks of it, I don't want to be snapping anything because it's not my car. So from the looks of it, remove this cap. What are you doing, mate? Mate, it's all capped in. There we go. Oh my god. See, I don't like these dodgy fuse things, man. So let's show you. So we're gonna disconnect. I think we're gonna disconnect that one, which pretty much should let us pull this off. And then we'll disconnect that one, which will be able to remove the power from the battery. Then obviously you got the negative, pull that out, you're going to wrap a cloth around it so they can't touch or arc on anything. I know, yeah, let's go. Go for it. You can't see nothing then, can you? Because of the cap. Right then, so we're going to remove this one first. Yep. Then theoretically. Right then, so we're moving the positive on the battery. Don't need to go too mad, it will just come off. So it should literally just pop off like so. Get that out of the way. Now for the negative. There we go. Cloth around it. Then what we have, we still videoing. Yeah, I'm showing that lot holds that holds it in place. That bolt there. So undo that bolt, slide that out of the way, and then your battery should come out. Easy as that. It looks like a 15 or a 17. I miss Vauxhalls, you know. I really do like looking at my McGann and then just like working on this now. It just relights my fire. But then I realised I might have piston 4, so kind of like nah, sick car, man.
Yep.
There you go. That was a 14. That was straight out. So now the battery theoretically should pull straight out. Ready? Got some wires.
Look, he's struggling. Big battery.
Mate, my battery's fully charged, yeah. Right, mate. Fucking do it yourself.
Oh, there's Aaron.
Broke out the Ryobi because it's effort, so 3 bolts. Easy as that. 1, 2.
They should be out now.
Nah, I bet there's all this like clipping it in, so just get like a flathead or a trim remover tool, pop, 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 and then that one there, and then we should be out. Right then, this is the culprit. This, obviously you can see the mad flex in it and all that kind of stuff. I'm guessing what you do, pop it off, either spin it off or just, I'm not 100% sure what I'll do. I'll find out now and I'll get back to you in 2 secs. Right then, so what we just want to show you is, see this little metal part in here? If we just grab that, we don't move the linkage or anything like that, literally just grab the metal part, yeah, show them the gear stick. Is it moving?
See that play? We don't want that. Yeah.
I was just looking at like just to see how to take it off, because obviously I don't want to snap anything, because if we break it then he can't move his car. I was just watching a video, TRC Racing. I was watching it thinking, yo, how does he actually get the linkage off? And I was watching it, he was putting a screw in between the plastic bit and the metal bit, and I thought, what's going on here? And then as I carried on watching it, he just left the screw in. So that is not what we're doing here. How much was that part that you bought?
17.50.
17 quid. So hopefully that will perform a better job than a screw, because you don't really want a screw connecting to your gear linkage, because that's just
Or cable tie.
yeah. So we're gonna find out how to set that off and go for it. All right. Right then, so Rusty Fat said you need 2 10mm. I've literally put a 10mm on here and just tight, bang. Obviously I've probably got the power, that's probably the only difference. But yeah, it seems to ooh, it's not spinning off as easy as it was just. Right then, so what we had to do is, I found that when we actually tried it with 2 10mm, we got a spanner on that and we were trying to tighten that up to this bit, but then when I'd go to loosen this, it was just spinning the bar, so the bar was spinning and this was just loosening off. So what I've had to do is get some mole grips, and I've had to just grab this and spin this, and now we can just pop that off. Mole grips pop off. There we go, happy days. Right then, so here's our new one. We're just going to whack it on as tight as we can. I'll probably just get the mole grips on this again. Obviously don't put your mole grips on the bit where the thread is, because obviously you'll chew the thread up when you come to stick this on. So we're just going to get it up as, I don't think you have to get it to a certain point, I think you just do it as tight as you can and then go from there. Right then guys, so that is pushed on. Basically, if you see the little hole there, there's basically a little circlip. All you do is pull the circlip out, bring it round, pull it back, make sure you don't lose it, because if you lose it you're buggered. Pop the clip, pop it in, put the circlip back in, push it round, that's in.
It's in gear.
What?
It's in gear.
Yeah, pull it out of gear. This is your first, hang on.
It does feel a bit tighter.
Yeah, it's definitely took the notchiness out of it.
but because it's low miler, it hasn't really got a lot of play in it, if you know what I mean. People are doing it with like 60,000 on the clock, maybe
definitely
more.
feels more.
But it does feel obviously a bit stiffer, yeah. No, I do like it.
See, if you got the short shifter on the actual gearbox, it would be tiny. You know.
Beauty.
Right, to be fair with you, that is a bang on mod. To be fair, it was cheap, it was fairly easy. It took about probably what, half an hour. You probably do it quicker than that, to be fair. And the fact it changes it for so little. All these mods nowadays are really expensive, and that little gear linkage mod was cheap as chips. I think it was like 16 quid. What I'll do, I'll link David's Instagram in the bio, and then you can click on it, message him and get it. I'm not getting anything for this, I'm not getting any money or anything like that. I'm just literally helping a bro out, and I'm showing you a good mod that you can do yourself. So yeah, if you wanted to go the extra mile, you can get, oh my god, the light on that is terrible. You can actually replace the actual gear selector, and then you can get a shorter one. So that definitely is unbelievable with the bigger gear selector in. So I definitely recommend doing that, but like I say, you go from spending like 16 quid to like 130 quid, so it all depends what you want. I think it's an M-Tech short shifter, correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it all back together. It's basically the reverse order that we took it apart in. I'm not going to video that and bore you. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.